Welcome back to Big Ideas with BFO. You know me, I'm Steve. Today, I'd like to talk about marketing best practices, and we're talking about landing pages today. Some people insist on never using a landing page. They believe on driving traffic directly to their website. However, marketing profs and many other places have proven beyond the shadow of a doubt that landing pages are effective for capturing users' attention, engagement, and driving toward conversion. Now, the question is why? Why do we see greater conversion from landing pages than we do from dropping them on a category page on your website? Well, the proof is in following the eye tracking. So what happens when you drop them on a landing page? You're limiting the amount of navigation. You're limiting the number of products. So you've cut off sort of the escape routes from the page. But then again, you're buying ads to get people to this page. So therefore, you want their attention in the box, if you will, of those products that you're putting in the box or that lead form that's in the box. You want that limited. You want very little navigation on the page. Of course, you want a privacy policy and those sorts of things. But what you really want is you want their attention focused on your offer, the information that's in front of them, and your desire to have them convert in some way, shape, or form. They may be downloading a white paper. They may be submitting a lead form. They may be buying snow tires. Whatever the case may be, that landing page, limiting the navigation in the header, get rid of your entire header, bring a simple top nav to it, if anything, or just keep them on that page and limit what they're seeing to the offer that you presented in the ad. If they want something else, they know who you are now, they'll come back another way, but don't cloud your landing page with all sorts of exits because you're never going to drive the conversions you want on that landing page. Now, some people will argue, I run an e-commerce site, I need to drop them on the snow tires. I can't just drop them on the tires category, or I could, or some people still insist on dropping users on the homepage and hoping for the best. Well, we don't want users on our homepage because we paid for the traffic. So now we're leaving it up to the user to figure out where they want to go. Now, if we're thinking about programmatic ads or display ads, this might be an option, right? I just want to bring them to the site. They're not always conversion focused. They're not always going to make me money today. They might make me money tomorrow. But if I'm thinking about search ads or I'm thinking about conversion focused ads, landing pages are the way to go. I don't want to land you on a tires or snow tires page on my website because, again, I have too many ways out. So landing pages are very important for focusing the user's attention down into the conversion path that you're aiming for. And whatever your goal is, be that lead gen or be that sales, doesn't matter. You're trying to funnel them into that transaction mindset, and using a landing page is the best way to do that. Now, there are plenty of great landing page tools out there. I am not going to bore you with the details of them, but I know HubSpot does them, WordPress does them, Optimizely does them. They're all over the place. They're easy to use. You can use your own images and graphics. You can bring your branding into it, and you can really make a lot out of these things pretty easily. And then you can test. And if you're not convinced that landing pages are the way to go to foster that conversion, do an A/B test. Split your traffic between that snow tires category on your website and the snow tires offer you're putting on the landing page. Let me know who wins the test. Thanks for stopping by. This has been another Big Ideas with BFO. We'll see you next time.